Working with web development and encountered a KIT project file? This is a CodeKit project configuration for the popular Mac web development tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these CodeKit project files. I call this the last resort solution for those KIT files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. A .kit file is a project file created by CodeKit, a web development application for macOS. It stores all the settings, file paths, and configurations for a specific web project, such as compiler options for Sass, Less, and JavaScript. Users open this file to instantly load their project environment and resume work. The .kit format is a structured data file, likely using a format like JSON or a proprietary binary plist. It was designed to be a self-contained project manifest, allowing developers to quickly load a complex build environment without reconfiguring it manually, thus streamlining the development workflow and ensuring consistency. CodeKit from Incident 57 is the core program designed for the KIT structure. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated proprietary software. Windows shows the entries plainly, but proper adjustments require knowledge of the system or software. Open the menu by right-clicking your KIT file and choosing Open With. Test CodeKit if it's there. If it's absent, select another application. Different apps handle the KIT file differently. If the KIT file is still refusing to open, it's expected. When the file won't budge, the error is typically related to 3 simple things. Use the following checklist to quickly identify the issue that persists. First, opening in CodeKit. Install CodeKit from codekitapp.com on macOS. Launch CodeKit and drag the KIT file or its containing project folder into the application. CodeKit loads the project configuration, recognizing all source files and applying the configured processing rules. The visual interface provides project monitoring and manual processing options. Next, editing in text editor. Open Kit files in a plain text editor like BBEdit Sublime Text or VS Code to view and modify configuration directly. CodeKit's Kit format includes special syntax for imports and processing directives. Manual editing is useful for complex configurations, though the CodeKit UI provides easier configuration management for most users. Finally, migrating to modern tools. Consider migrating CodeKit projects to modern build tools like Webpack Vite or Parcel for cross-platform compatibility. Manually translate KIT processing rules to package, JSON scripts, and Webpack configurations. Modern tools provide more flexibility, command line automation, and integration with CI/CD pipelines used in contemporary web development workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.